Hi everyone, today I'll show you the two different ways to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. The first method is simple. Go to Effects tab, then type the motion blur in the search bar and add it to your clip. Remember, this feature is only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Then to enhance the effect, go to Effects tab and increase the blur to 100. This creates a smooth and subtle motion blur for a simple movements. Then if you want a more dramatic motion blur, use the motion trails instead. This effect enhances a fast movements and add a strong blur trail to your subject. You can see how much more intense this effect is compared to a basic motion blur. Then, if you want to apply motion blur only at certain parts of your video, move your timeline slider to where you want the blur to begin. Then click the keyframe button next to the drop off and set it to 0. Now, move ahead a few seconds and increase the drop off value to 1 to smoothly transition the blur effect. And that's it. That's how you add a motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.